Alright guys, just a quick video to compare the fuel use. This is a 6-speed manual, 120 Prado with a 1kd, 140,000 k's. I'm trying to hold it still for you, and I need to do that so you can read this. So we're going to run it up the same stretch of road. We've got the cruise control set on 80 k's. It's currently in 6th gear, so you can see the actual fuel use. Okay, so just take note of the injection volume. That's exactly how much fuel's being injected, and we're going to do the exact same stretch of road in 5th gear, and I'll put my money that it's going to use less fuel in 5th, but there's a few people out there that seem to believe it uses less in higher gears. A scan gauge will show you things like that, but it isn't always right. This is plugged into the engine software and it's telling you exactly how much fuel's going in. So I've started the video at a point, and I'll start the next video at the same point on the road. We're going to go back to the same place, so it's the same. It's fairly flat, a little bit undulating, that's why you see it fluctuating up or down a little bit. But we're going to resume the cruise control if we can, or set it at the same speed, at least 80 k's, to give you a comparison. And I'm going to talk the same amount of crap for the same amount of time. Alright guys, so we're coming up to that point. Up here we've got a little intersection where there's a yellow sign, so we can either probably turn right and do a U and then pop back out and turn left is what we'll do. So I'm going to end this video here, to be fair, and we'll do the same with the next one. Alright guys, so we've resumed the cruise control, or reset it at the same point on the road, same speed, same car. I'm trying to hold it still for you so you can read that. Let me see what I can do there. How about that? Okay, so you've just got to look at the averages over the same period of time and decide. This is telling you how much fuel is being injected in that second, right? So it's not litres per 100 k's or anything like that. That's how much fuel. So at the moment, 38, 39. If you remember in the last video, it went up over 40, 50 along this stretch. Right now we're on 36, 37, 35, 36, 37, 35. So along this stretch last time. Feel free to watch the video again as many times as you need to compare it around about the same minute mark to see what fuel's getting used. I'm pretty sure going up that hill last video it was even higher. Now we're not going to go and do 4th gear and 3rd gear and whatever. We might go and do this exercise at another speed. This is 80 k's, which is a common one. We'll probably do it again at 100 k's, both 6th gear and 5th. And I'll suggest the similar thing happens with the autos between 4th and 5th. So, right, so don't take too much notice of right at the start of the videos, because the vehicle would have been over or under speed and it had to settle a little bit. But the majority of the rest of the video has been a steady drive, no traffic in our way, cruise control set, so a fair test. And we're just approaching that yellow sign. We're about to make our turn, so I'll end that video there. The next one, I'll let you know the details that'll be joined onto this one. Alright guys, we've got the cruise control set on 100 now, in 6th gear, 120 Prado, 140,000 k's, 6-speed manual. We've got the cruise control set on the same stretch of road as the last two videos. You can see the fuel, it's 43, 41, 42. That's exactly how much fuel's being injected per second at that point in time. We're coming to a slight increase of the hill incline, not much, just slightly, so it goes up and it's going to start decreasing now, and it's going to drop off a bit. Just letting you know the reference point. So all the videos started at the same spot and they're going to end at the same spot. So this is 6th gear. The next video, so this one will end in about 30 seconds I'm guessing. The next one will be the same stretch of road in 5th gear, so you can compare. So we're looking at 46, 45, I'm just saying for the drive, 44, 41, 40, as we're slightly downhill, pretty flat but slightly down. So it didn't go below 40, so higher speed uses more fuel, but we're also covering more ground. Remember, this reading isn't speed related, it's just telling you how much fuel we're using. So you've got to do your calculations on what speed's most economical as well, and I'll suggest below 100. Alright, we're back to our yellow sign where we're going to turn around. The next stretch will be 100 k's in 5th gear. Alright guys, so we're on the same stretch of road. Cruise control is set on 100, we're in 5th gear. Okay, injection volume down at 27, 29, 35, 38, 41, 42, 44. It's up and down a bit, I think. It's just settling in on the speed. Let's see what happens now. The highest it's going to go is coming up. This is the slight increase in the hill. So we're up to around 44, 40. Yeah, I think it's a little bit fluctuating. 46, 44, 43, 42, 40, 38, 39. I even forget what was in the last video, but I'm pretty sure it was higher than that. It was hitting up around 50s, I believe. Now we're to the, not that it's much of a hill, but a slight increase. Now it flattens off a bit. And it's either flat or slightly down. We're back to 32, 33, 34. So we've been held up by a vehicle in front of us, so disregard the reading from now on because we've had to slow down. As you know, other drivers have trouble maintaining the speed limit. Anyway, that's another story. We think that there's enough evidence there that you can see that the vehicle will use less fuel using lower gears with a little bit more revs. Hopefully that's been helpful for you. Have a nice day. See ya.